Hello, and welcome to Shadow Traders. My name is Barbara Cohen, and I'm the CIO. Today I'm going to show you a little video, something we recorded on July 23rd, starting at about 9:30 in the morning when the market opened. We're actually going to show you our system at the market open. Right now we're just going to go over a few things so that you can understand what we're doing. We just got a little signal here. Time to go in. Right here, these dash lines going across, these are our pivots. If you take a look and see, you can see the market coming right up to the pivot and stopping on a dime and coming right back down. Came right back down, stopped on there. Unless it has momentum, chances are the market's going to stop. So these are our pivots, and we are trading our pivots in conjunction with fractal geometry that we put together. Fractal geometry are a series of rays. These are fractal rays, and they show you how the market will trade and how it's trading right this minute. This isn't a lagging thing. This isn't something that happened yesterday. This is right now. So you can see that we trade pretty much from star to star. You can see that we went from a high here, right, down to this low. When we hit this low at the pivot, it stopped. Told us that this is a low, and here on this next bar, we actually know it's time to go in, time to go high. What we have here we have a number of fractal rays. We have the green, we have the red, and we have the turquoise. The red and the green are fractal rays that represent support and resistance. When they cross, when the support crosses above the fractal ray that's coming down, which is the resistance, when the support crosses above the resistance and you get an X like this, chances are you're going to get a big move, and sure enough, we did. You always want to watch for those kinds of crosses. That indicates a big move. You notice this is our second notification that we're coming up. See the star right there? Star tells us that we're going to go higher. This is our low point on this trade. Additionally, we have beige and blue lines running in the background. These indicate to us that there's a change in direction. You can see right here we got a nice blue line telling us, look, there's a change in direction. Something is going to happen. You can see how much distance there was between one line and another. That's because the market had been coming down, 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 and finally changed direction and is starting to come back up. When we penetrate a fractal line like we've done right here, we're penetrating that line, we're going above it, then you should be looking for something very hot. You should be looking for the line to be a big move. It's very hard to penetrate fractal rays. If you do finally penetrate one, that means that there's a lot of momentum. And again, that's something you find at 9:30 at the open. You'll find a lot of momentum, and you can see the momentum coming right back up here. Normally, again, like we say, we like to trade from star to star. So we went from this star all the way down to this one, and that told us that was the low, and then we started to come back up. And additionally, we had two momentum trade indicators as well, telling us that absolutely this is going to be a big move. We had them right here as well, and that gave us some indication that the market was going to come down. The heavy black lines, these are our channels. If it penetrates through that channel, which it is, that means that the market is going higher. It's going to take us up even further. If it penetrates down below it as it's coming down, it means the market's going to go lower. If it stays within a channel, then it's really kind of range bound. Up, down, up, down. The dark maroon color versus the red color. The dark maroon fractal ray is a breakout line. It tells you that there's a change coming as a breakout. The red tells you that it's a support line. The green tells you that it is a resistance. And you can see we really broke out of that one. And again, these blue lines foretold what was going to happen. They told you you were going to get a big move. And sure enough, we got a huge move on that one. Huge move. But the blue lines told you, watch. Watch for that. You're going to get a breakout here. And sure enough, we did.